guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video we'll be looking on the cockatiel. So guys, remember this baby? Remember 4 babies had hatched out and 3 had passed off and only this one survived. So this is just an update video to show you his growth process. His or her, I don't know why I'm man or woman, but that's how him look now. I will mainly say him because that's what I'm. But guys, this is how he is looking, guys. Isn't he beautiful? Look at that. And so when I want to pick me get spoiled and so then go quick. So this is him. I don't even know him much really, but he look good. He come along good. Guys, if you're watching my video and you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you can be notified each time a video is dropped. Share the video out with your friend, drop a like on the video so that YouTube can promote the video and more people can get to view it. Alright guys, just go and enjoy the video and I will speak to you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, love you later. Goodbye. Oh guys, this baby comes from 2 cinnamon, and as you can see the baby itself is a cinnamon. So cinnamon parents brought forth a cinnamon baby. Look at it. Beautiful. Alright, later guys.